On the food news channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. Beef salad on the menu. I will give you the full recipe that you guys can make this one at home. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Don't go anywhere. Watch and love the guys. So basically this is what we're going to do, this lovely beef salad. The first thing we're going to do is cut up some, this is some yellow pepper, and 100% I know you guys definitely gonna love the yellow pepper which I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's not a really tough recipe to make. It's just a simple little recipe where it's very easy. I got some parsley which also I want to cut up and put inside of it. The reason why I want to put the parsley, it's going to be bringing a nice lovely color. All right, so yeah, this is what's going to happen. All right, very simple recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. So that's the salad. A very easy recipe, and I know you guys definitely can make this at home. It's just a simple recipe, beef salad, and you know what I mean, you can add whatever you like to add to it. So thank you so much for tuning into my show. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe, and I will see you next time.